Our Garrett the Dirt Doctor here with some advice on healthy living. As the weather turns cold, dry plants are vulnerable, so water before the cold snaps arrive. Try to keep a reasonable amount of moisture level in the soil all the time to be ready for whenever the weather dramatically changes. Plants that are growing in containers are more at risk than plants in the ground. There is a difference of about 10 degrees of winter hardiness between plants in pots and those in the ground. Large trash bags, trash cans, or plastic sheets will give you about 5 degrees protection from winter cold. Floating row cover placed over ornamental plants and vegetables will give the same protection, and it doesn't have to be removed immediately after the cold event. Being organic and spraying Garrett juice or any mix that contains seaweed will offer additional freeze protection. Disconnect hoses from faucets and wrap exposed pipes. Drain all gardening equipment that holds water. Tender plants need to be brought into protection, at least during the worst weather. Greenhouse heat sources should be checked, and backup heat sources should be put in place in case you have a little power outage. The most important step of winter protection is to go organic. Gives you about 4 to 5 degrees there. For all your gardening, pet, and natural health questions, or to join the Organic Club of America, visit dirtdoctor.com or our Facebook page for help, and tune into my talk show this and every weekend. Go organic and enjoy your healthy gardens.